Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lenovo Legion step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Lenovo Legion laptop carefully. Remove all protective materials and stickers from the device. Locate the power adapter and plug it into an electrical outlet. Connect the other end of the power adapter to your laptop. Press the power button to turn on the laptop. Wait for the Lenovo logo to appear on the screen. Select your preferred language when prompted. Click Next to proceed to the next setup screen. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Connect. Once connected, click Next to continue. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one. Follow the prompts to set up your account preferences. You will be asked about privacy settings. Customize these to your liking. After configuring settings, click Next to advance. The system will complete the setup process. Once your desktop appears, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You may be prompted to install updates. Follow the instructions to do so. Locate and open the Lenovo Vantage application for additional settings. Configure your device settings as needed for optimal performance. Add any necessary software or applications from the Microsoft Store. Transfer files from an old device if required using your preferred method. Explore the features of your Lenovo Legion to maximize your gaming experience. Lastly, adjust your display and audio settings for comfort and preference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.